You've probably seen this before. Your Windows PC starts acting weird. Apps crash, settings break, things feel unstable. So you search online for a fix, and every guide says the same thing. Just run SFC/scan now. It's the famous Windows command that's supposed to repair system files. But here's the problem. Most of the time, it doesn't actually fix anything. Instead, you get that annoying message, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. So what's going on? Is the tool broken? Not exactly. The real issue is that most people are using it the wrong way. And in this video, I'll show you the correct way to repair Windows system files so SFC actually works. The problem with SFC. First, let's quickly understand why this happens. The System File Checker, or SFC, scans your Windows system files and replaces any corrupted ones. Sounds simple, but here's the catch. SFC repairs files using a local Windows image stored on your PC, and after months of updates, patches, and feature upgrades, that image can become outdated or damaged. So, when SFC tries to repair files, it may be using bad copies of Windows files, which is why you often see that message saying it couldn't fix everything. But there's a simple solution. Before running SFC, we first repair the Windows image itself, and that's where another built-in tool comes in. Step 1. Use DISM to repair the Windows image. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, type this command, DISM/online/cleanup-image/CheckHealth. This quickly checks if your Windows image has any corruption, but it works on the surface level. Let's go a little deeper with the next command. From the previous command, replace the CheckHealth with ScanHealth. This performs a deeper scan and checks your system image against Microsoft servers. Now finally, run the command that actually repairs the image. At the place of ScanHealth, type RestoreHealth. This step may take a few minutes. What it does is download clean Windows files from Microsoft and repair the system image on your PC. Step 2. Run SFC again. Once DISM finishes, now we run the command everyone knows. Type SFC/scan now. This time, SFC will use the repaired Windows image instead of a broken one. And in most cases, it will finally show the message you want to see. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, which means your Windows system files are now fixed. If this doesn't even fix your issue, it means the DISM can't reach Microsoft servers. To fix this issue, you can download the fresh Windows 11 ISO and use it as a source. To do that, download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool, run it, accept the agreement, and then choose the ISO file option, save it in a location. Now, let the Media Creation tool download the Windows 11 ISO. Once it is downloaded, double-click on the ISO to mount it. Then go to the mounted drive, open the source folder, and here locate install.wim or install.esd. Remember which file you have. Then click on the address bar and copy the location. Now go to the command prompt, and in the DISM command after the RestoreHealth, type /source, paste the address you copied, then use a backslash and type install.wim or install.esd, whichever file you have. You can also add /limit access. This will force the DISM to only use the ISO as a source to repair the image. Hit the Enter button. Once it is done, run the SFC scan now command again. So the next time someone tells you to just run SFC/scan now, remember this. SFC works best after DISM repairs the Windows image first. Fix the source, and the repair tool actually works. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. And if you enjoy simple Windows tips and fixes like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.